नेक्स्ट वन, दीज आर द ट्रांसफर्स. एंड मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली एक प्लास्टिक चेयर का एग्जांपल इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि प्लास्टिक चेयर जो होती है वो सबसे बिल्कुल पतली सी चेयर होती है, उसमें पकड़ने की जगह नहीं है कहीं पे भी. तो मेरे हिसाब से जो भी कोई अगर अपनी व्हील चेयर से प्लास्टिक चेयर पे ट्रांसफर कर सकता है वो फिर किसी भी चेयर पे किसी भी जगह पे ट्रांसफर कर सकता है. देयर इज अ प्रॉपर स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. ये डायग्राम में आप एक बार यू कैन जस्ट सी इट, बट एक्चुअली में होगा कैसे ये मैं आपको भी करके दिखा सकता हूं. मुझे दिखाना है, आप भी करेंगे. दोज हु कैन ज्वाइन मी, आई गेस यू कैन डू ऑल ऑफ दीज. सो द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज हाउ टू ट्रांसफर योरसेल्फ ऑन द फ्लोर. अच्छा, कितने लोग जमीन पे बैठते हैं व्हील चेयर से यहाँ पे? कभी कभी, हमेशा? ओनली 3 and all of them women. Oh boss, shame on us. But this is the way how can you do floor transfers. You can transfer yourself from the wheelchair to the floor and come back. I mean these are not the things कि इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगने वाली है. सर आप तो बहुत अच्छी कुर्सी पे हैं, आप कर पाएंगे, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. I can guarantee each one of you can do that. Except the quadris, all the paras can achieve whatever is being taught, whatever is being shown today. Next one please. Let's run on them. This is how you fall. I mean this is the most funny part. People enjoy it most. Whenever I show a slide, they say sir करके दिखाइए. They want me to fall all the time. I'll be showing how to fall. There are safe ways to fall from a wheelchair and come back out of it without anybody's help. Basically ये skills आपको लगा कि इनकी जरूरत क्या है? जरूरत ये है कि मैं आपको वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो के लिए तैयार कर रहा हूँ. एक व्हीलचेयर यूजर के लिए सबसे बुरी बात ये होगी कि वो गिर जाए, व्हीलचेयर से गिर जाए. लेकिन व्हीलचेयर से गिरने के बावजूद बिना किसी की मदद के आप दोबारा अपनी व्हीलचेयर पर खुद से बैठ सकते हैं, बिना किसी को बुलाए, बिना हल्ला मचा के मेरी मदद करो, मेरी मदद करो. ऐसी कोई खास जरूरत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज डूइंग अ व्हीली. आई मीन शैलो बैलेंस एंड डीप बैलेंस. देयर आर डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स ऑफ डूइंग अ व्हीली. इट्स अ पेशेंस गेम. इतनी जल्दी नहीं आता है. तो व्हीली सिखाऊंगा मैं. आई मीन आपको सिखा सकता हूं मैं व्हीली आज. आई विल टीच यू व्हीली. यू कैन डू दैट. ग्रेट. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे कुछ है जिनको व्हीलीज भी आती है, उनको एडवांस स्किल्स भी सिखा सकता हूँ. सो वी कैन डू दैट. नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज कर्व क्लाइंबिंग. हाउ टू क्लाइंब अ कर्व. आई विल शो दैट. नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज. दीज आर जस्ट डायग्राम्स ओनली. थ्रेशहोल्ड कई बार वैसे बेसिकली आई बिकॉज आई एम इन वेलिंगर आई नेवर हैड एनी प्रॉब्लम विद द थ्रेशहोल्ड एक्सेप्ट द लेफ्ट विच इज लाइक दैट. अदरवाइज नॉर्मली घरों में थ्रेशहोल्ड्स की प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. तो देयर आर वेज टू टैकल इट. This is the way it should be done. Getting down a ramp, we had a wonderful example here. We can do that later. Next one. This is stair climbing. This is only achievable if you have good balance, good upper extremity strength, and you have to have that coordination thing. You can do it with the wheelchair as well. Stair climbing is quite possible. People do that. Don't shake your head like no. It is done. It can be done. Stair climbing होता है. You can come climb the stairs, but when I say climb the stairs, I don't mean कि you are going to climb stairs 9 steps every single day going up and down. There is something called accessibility. There is something called home modification as well. But in case अगर मैं कहीं बाहर जाता हूँ, अब मैं किसी के घर 1-2 बार गया, मेहमान गया, उसके घर में सीढ़ियाँ, तो वो क्या करेगा? So there should be situation where you can tackle the stairs as well. But I don't suggest that everybody should be thinking कि मैं तो stairs कर लेता तो मैं stairs रोजाना करूँगा. No, that's not the idea. It's once in a while. If you are stuck with the stairs, you can manage the stairs. Next one please. This is getting off the stairs without the railing. This is done in wheelie. I can show that later on. These are the wooden obstacle. I'm sorry I couldn't get them with me and we couldn't get them here as well, but which is a good thing in the sense that I don't want you to be seeing obstacle कि तो specially made obstacles है, सिर्फ इन्हीं पे होता है. नहीं, मैं आपको उन चीज़ों में दिखाऊंगा जो कि एक्चुअली में आप ही के यहाँ आपकी मुंबई मेड थिंग्स हैं, उन्हीं पर हो सकता है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट व्हील चेयर स्पोर्ट्स. आई हैव नथिंग टू से एज सच. विल जस्ट रन थ्रू द पिक्चर्स. आई मीन दिस इज मी एट मलेशिया, सॉर्ट ऑफ माई विनिंग पोस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, this is table tennis. I teach table tennis. Table tennis is specifically helpful. I mean table tennis is the sports which you can start straight away. I mean you don't need much of the physical endurance with it. It helps in your sitting posture. It helps you to sit better, sit erect and gradually improve your back muscles. That is the benefit of sports, and table tennis is the first sport you can start with. Next is archery. You just keep going on with these. Archery is there. Basketball, I teach basketball. This is wheelchair rugby. Hang on, just stop on this. I want to show that the other guy is an amputee with both legs. He is a quadriplegic. This game is quad rugby. It is specifically for quadriplegics only. We paras are not supposed to play it. It is reserved for quadris and it's an international sport. In Bangalore, a team from ISIC will be participating. We are going to be competing with the rest of the world this time. But quadris can also play. This is snooker. This is snooker. Next one, please. Wheelchair racing. Yeah, I have done marathons. I don't know how come Nina Foundation missed me. I was finishing the line first in 2006 as well, and MSSI has been always kind to bring me here every year. I am their child and I participate in all the marathons on behalf of MSSI. Tennis, yeah, that's my forte. This is weightlifting. Are we going to showing Arun's video as well? After this, we'll show that. This is weightlifting. This is pretty much easy. Kayaking, I don't know, Delhi mein itna pani hota nahi hai. Hand cycling is fine, those who want to do it. But हाँ, stop. ये तो सबको आपको लग रहा हो कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, सबके पास अच्छी चेयर ऐसा है, बट कुछ लोग इससे भी ज्यादा करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए कुछ और है. नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड abseiling. दिस इज प्रीटी मच पॉसिबल. आई ट्राइड इट. नेक्स्ट इज bungee jumping. Next one. This is water skiing. I mean, water things, you Mumbai people can do it. Yeah, you have a sea around you. In Delhi, we cannot try that. Next is downhill. Okay. Scuba. Next, gliding. I tried gliding. There is a flying school in Agra which allows the disabled to try. Me and Navin Gulia, we have that microlight kind of a plane. It's pretty much tryable. I have done that. Next is paragliding. That I did. I went to Rohtang Pass and I went to Rohtang Pass in my car, but I came down with a paragliding thing. So it's pretty much possible. Mono skiing. This is me. Okay. This is me. This is at Indian Spinal Center. This is a guy. He's a quadriplegic. Would you not believe, before the table tennis session, he was not able to do a push-up. After playing table tennis for 3 days, he has started transferring himself on his own. He is the first quadri who can transfer himself without anybody's help. Next, please. Okay, we have dance. I mean, Shamak Dawar is a very, you can say, omnipresent kind of thing all over India. We have Shamak Dawar in Delhi too. Next one. There was this World Dance Festival and we participated. We were the runners up. This is the team of ISIC with some Brazilian dancers as well. So wheelchair dance is the doctors by 14-9 and that was a Holi. That is all about, it's all about having fun and it's all about that you have the confidence to get back to the society. And thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Now I shall be showing you how to, we're going to see a video of Arun Sondhi now. Abhi? Able-bodied. I mean, just to humiliate them, the able-bodied were picking something like 143 kg, 144 was their max. But this guy lands up there and he picks 152.5 kg in bench press. It's still a record because इन्होंने इतना डरा दिया बाकी सबको. After his participation, World Athletic something WADA is the organization. They stopped the disabled to participate in the normal Olympics. That's how we have the Paralympic things. So, is it running? This is Arun Sondhi in Paralympics. Sorry, it's named at Paralympics, but it's again normal Olympics itself. Okay. That's Arun Sondhi. It's not working. That is Arun Sondhi way back in 1996. And this is his world record attempt, which still exists even today. In bench press, since he is on wheelchair, his legs are tied and he is supposed to take all the weight on his shoulders and chest only. That is still there. Should I be getting down? I shall be. Very hold this. Hold this. I'm coming down. Hold this. I'm getting down because then I'll be doing the activities. We'll be doing the transfers now. After this, I'm getting down. I'm giving the transfers. Okay? So I'll get down from here. Yes, I'll be doing that because learning a wheel and getting that confidence. See, it would be very unfair of me किसी दिन मैं तो सब कर सकता हूँ आप ये नहीं कर पा रहे. They need time to get that confidence.
Actually, it is not just the learning process. It is afterwards also they have to keep practicing.
Exactly.
Generally, what happens?
They get careless because एक तो timing thing as well.
But I think I find it difficult on footpaths. On footpaths, I do find it.
It's pretty high.